You can go ahead and grab the 3x3 cutting mat in your toolbox. I like to place mine shiny side down. Now I know you remember this from the last video. This is one side of our PB&J. This is your manual hand drill. Now if you pull the center and twist it counterclockwise and clockwise, it will open these blades, and opening and closing them is responsible for holding your drill bits. So your drill bits come in this little case, and I thought it was super tricky, but what you need to do is take your thumb and place it in the center of the case and apply a little bit of pressure. It will open and close perfectly. The 1.5 millimeter drill bit is the one that I use the absolute most, only because most jump rings are about a little bit smaller and allow you to use that perfectly. So now I'm going to open and close the blades on my manual drill, and I'm going to fit my drill bit inside. And this one looks like it's a little too tight, so I'm going to open it up just a little bit. Then you're going to slide your blade in, or your bit in, about halfway. You don't want it to be on the tip, and you don't want it to be all the way at the top. Then you're going to close the blades tightly and make sure that it's taut. Okay, take your pointer finger on your right hand and place it on top. Then take your remaining fingers and grab the body of the hand drill, and this is going to stabilize it. Now you're ready to put the actual bit or the drill piece on the marked hole. Then you're going to take your left hand and stabilize the piece on the cutting mat. So you're going to turn clockwise, and soon you'll feel some resistance, like the piece wants to turn. That lets you know that you've made it through to the other side, or at least close. Now you want to pick up the piece, stabilize it in your left hand, and then push your drill through. Don't go too far. Then you can rewind it. I wouldn't pull it out because you don't want to crack it. I would reverse the hand drill out. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is a perfect hole. I'm going to zoom in a little bit so you can see the front, and now that is the back. If you have a shiny surface on your jewelry, that means that it's covered in resin. And because resin starts to get glass-like, it's important for you to drill resin down. So in your case, you're going to flip your earring over, and you're going to drill from the resin down. You're going to mark on the resin side, and you're going to drill on the resin side. This keeps the resin from shattering and having any pieces that don't look very sightly, and making sure that your hole is nice and clean. That's it. That is how you drill holes in your pieces to make your earring. Enjoy.